Want to change to new server in PubG but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change server in PubG. So without any further ado, let's get started. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see arrow icon. Press on it. Next, tap on the settings button. On the right side of select server, you can see change button. Click on it. Tap on the arrow button to see the available servers. From the options below, select the server that you want. Then click on the OK button. You won't be able to change the server for 7 days, so if you're sure, tap on the OK button. And that's how you can change server in PubG. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.